Hello, everybody. So, a podcast for these review problems. The first type of problems that you guys are going to be reviewing are the ones from the previous assignment, where it's just going to be, are these parallel or perpendicular? So the first thing you need to do is rewrite them in slope-intercept form. And you start by moving any x's over. So I've got 5y is equal to 10x minus 30. Then you divide out the coefficient on the y, and you get y is equal to 2x minus 6. So the slope of that line is 2. I do the same thing here. Move any x's over, and you get y is equal to negative 2x plus 4. So the slope of that line is negative 2. First, they're not the same. Are they, for perpendicular, are they opposite sign? Yes, but are they reciprocals? No. Are they exactly the same equation? Nope. So that means they're neither parallel nor perpendicular. Okay? One's like this. What is the slope of the line that's parallel to this line? Well, same idea. You have to rewrite it like this to find the slope. So the first thing I'm going to do is subtract any x's or add any x's to the other side, either way. So I've got negative 3y is equal to negative 3x minus 45. And then you divide by negative 3, the coefficient that's on the y. That becomes 1x plus 15. So the slope of this line is 1. What is the equation? What is the slope? That's all I want. What is the slope of the line that's parallel to it? Well, parallel lines have the same slope. So the slope of the parallel line, parallel slope is going to be 1. Okay, so your answer would just be 1. That's all you're going to type into delta math, 1. Okay? If it was perpendicular, opposite, reciprocal. And remember, the reciprocal of 1 is 1. So this would be the slope if it's perpendicular. Okay? There's a third type of problem, and that is graph a line that's parallel to this line. That's where you can put a point anywhere you want and drag, and when it turned green, then it's parallel. And then you just state the slope of the original line and the one you just drew. So this I'm just going to count out. I'm going to go from that point to that point. So I'm going to go down 3, 1, 2, 3, and right 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, slope is rise over run. So I'm going down 3 for rise and running 4. So negative 3/4 is the slope of that line. If it's parallel, it would be negative 3/4 because it's the same. And you could count it right off the graph. Now, if they had said, what is the draw a line that's perpendicular, you would pick any point and then drag out until it turns green, it being perpendicular. You found the slope was negative 3/4. And when you do it to this line, you would find just by counting it off the graph, rise over run is positive 4/3. Okay? You don't have to use this. You're just reading it right off the graph. Use rise over run and just count it right off the graph. This is way more work than you need to do. This is what you want to use, rise over run. And that's the name of the assignment. Thank you for your time. Have a great one.